Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious peach cake using canned peaches. This easy guide will help you create a delightful dessert with minimal fuss. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one large 29-ounce can of sliced peaches, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of milk. Plus, you'll need 1 stick of unsalted butter. Now let's get to mixing. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, cream together 1 stick of softened unsalted butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. Next, beat in your 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. Finally, gradually add the 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 cup of milk, mixing until just combined. With your batter ready, it's time to add those lovely peaches. Make sure to drain your 29-ounce can of sliced peaches very thoroughly to avoid a soggy cake. Gently fold the drained peach slices into your prepared cake batter until they are evenly distributed. Now, pour the entire mixture into a greased and floured 9-inch baking pan. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar over the top before baking. The final step is baking and enjoying your delicious creation. Place your cake in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 40 to 50 minutes. You'll know it's done when the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for at least 10 minutes before carefully inverting it onto a wire rack. Serve it warm or at room temperature, perhaps with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.